In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tags for small business tracking in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money includes a default business tag that you can use to track business-related transactions, or you can customize it to better fit your needs. To set this up on desktop, go to your profile icon, then Settings, and open the Tag section. Here, you can edit the existing business tag or create a new one. You can rename it to something like Small Business, choose a color, and save your changes. Once your tag is ready, go to the Transactions tab and click on any transaction to expand it. Use the Tags option to apply your small business tag. You can also use the Edit Multiple feature to tag several transactions at once. After tagging, you can filter your transactions or reports by that tag to see only your business-related activity. This makes it easier to separate personal and business finances within the same account. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.